Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can learn about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, Bitcoin, all the other different cryptocurrencies also. So I'll be showing you a few different ways you can learn about it. The first one is on crypto.com. They have a learn tab over here. You can go up and you can research, you can get market updates, you can figure out what's trending, and it's really nice. This is definitely something you need to be doing if you're getting into the crypto space. So this isn't going to be like a video of how to find like the next coin that's going to like explode or anything. This is just how you can find uh good information and reliable information so that it's not it's not like some like scam news. So this is like all good stuff. I really like the crypto.com learn platform. It makes it really easy. You can learn about NFTs on here. You can learn about, because see they have a whole NFT tab where you can buy NFTs. So they like having updates on the latest news about NFTs. So that's cool. So the next one is coin market cap. This one's really nice. I have this pulled up. It's like you can earn diamonds and you can cash them for rewards. I tried it for a while, but you'll realize that most of the stuff's always sold out, so you're kind of not really gonna be able to buy many of these things. Or else you save up your coins for a while, then just wait, because this will take a long time to get if you're just collecting the daily gems. So you're just gonna have to be patient if you really want one. You'll have to get it as soon as it drops. Um, but yeah, this one's pretty cool. Um, they give like updates on exchanges, NFTs, cryptocurrencies. You can come down here and find all this stuff. And so it's a pretty nice one. The last one is CoinGecko. They it's really similar to Coin Market Cap. I think they also have like a program where you can collect things. I think you can only, I'm not sure what you can convert it into though. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, you can come down here. They have like some like you can the earn, so that you can see like what platforms you can earn it on. So like they have crypto.com on here. Um, they have like Binance. They have like a whole bunch of different ones on there. They show you which you can earn through different coins, and then you can like change it. If you want to check out Ethereum or Solana, then you can figure that all out. So that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. I hope this helps, because cryptocurrencies and NFTs are going to be growing, and you're going to need to understand it. Even if you're not investing in it, it's good to have an understanding of why it's gaining popularity and why it's so important. So, you can come over here just once a day, click on an article, just quickly read it, and then stay up to date on everything that's going on. It's really going to help you as an investor, even if it's not into cryptocurrencies and you're investing in stocks, because you can invest in different stocks that are implementing NFTs or implementing different like Web3 things into their companies. So that would help you make better investment decisions. So I think overall, like learning about crypto, Web3, and NFTs is really going to help you out. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.